Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in less than 5 minutes I will be showing you how I made this super stylish, comfortable and cozy poncho. I love it so much, so let's get started. Yeah, I have a throw that I got from Wilko and it was actually 2 in a pack for £5. So basically this poncho cost about £2.50 and it is 127 by 152 centimeters. The minute I saw it, I just knew it was going to be perfect for a poncho because of the tassels underneath. So I bought it. So now I'll start by folding it in half, making sure the tassel ends are touching because that will become the lower part of my poncho. And then I'll fold it again that way. So basically I'll have 4 layers with 2 folds. Now I'm going to use a paper to show you guys what I did. I folded it over this way to make the tassel ends touch, and then I folded it again this way. So that's it, really easy. Now from the folded edge I will go on to mark out my neckline. So I'm just marking out 1 inch and then 3 inches that way. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing, but you can make yours 2 inches because my neck ended up being a little too wide. So now I'll go ahead and connect the points together, after which I'm going in to cut out my neckline. Like I said, make yours 2 inches or 2 inches, then try it and decide if you need to make it wider. So after cutting out the neckline, I will slash through the middle part, but when slashing it, make sure you're slashing through just 1 layer of the middle part because we have 2 folds over there. So I'm slashing through just 1 fold, and I'll just go ahead making sure to check as I slash because we don't want to affect the other fold. So you guys can see it's all cut now, and this in itself is a ready-made poncho. Like it's a ready poncho, like you can just leave it like this, fold the neckline and the open edges in front and you're through. But I decided to take it a step further, so this rope came with the throw as well, and I'm just going to join it together to make one long continuous rope that I will use to finish the front of this poncho. But like I said, you can just fold it twice and you're good, or just serge or overlock the edges, and that's honestly good enough. So now I've joined the strips together and I'll go ahead and sew right sides together and then turn it over to finish the other side. But let's start by sewing right sides together first. So that's what I'm doing now, just sewing it down. And now I'll go ahead and fold it over this way. I hope you guys can see, and just sew it down again. So basically I did not bother folding it over twice because the other edge of this string or strap or strip, whatever, is like already finished, so I didn't need to fold it inside twice. I just folded it out once and then went ahead to sew it down. So this is what it looks like. You guys can see, just adds a nice touch to it, and I just really like how it looked. Now I'll go ahead and close the edge. So basically I'm going to measure about 12 inches down from the top and mark that point. So this depends on how wide you want your armhole to be. So I'm making mine 12 inches down. So, and then I'll mark 10 inches down from that point. Now I will sew between these 2 points that I just marked. So I did the same thing for the other side, and I'll go ahead and sew it as well. And guys, that is all. Like, it is ready. It was so nice. It's so stylish, honestly. It's what I wear almost every time indoors now. I'll see you guys in my next video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.